So I want to thank all of you for hanging in here. We are just about to close. Normally, we do about 15 minutes of where are we going from here and what did we learn from today? And I actually wrote down all the comments, but my head is exploding with more questions than good comments, and I'm guessing that's true for many of you here. So what I would really like to say, I think I'd sort of like to come back to this idea from the very first session where, you asked them, what should we do? What are the 4 things we should do? Or what are the things we should do? And they said, stop shaming, talk to real people, use all means possible, and that the media need to be, aware of of their communities and of the stories. And I think as a very tight little bow I'd like to tie it up with, I would like to leave with those ideas for you to think about, in the mix master of your minds. I learned a lot today. I recognize that this was a very niche topic, and I think that we can all understand there's so many different threads going on here, so many human stories with different perspectives. People's definitions vary. I know, I'm getting there. But our experiences are important, and I hope that you experience something important today. I hope that you will thank me for all the speakers, many of whom have already had to leave, but especially to Chad and Stephanie and Al. Thank you so much for everything that you've done. So let's give them a big hand. I'd like you to know that pulling something like this off is not something one person can do, and I have this amazing committee. I am their glitter queen, so I just want to say to you guys, thanks for everything, and I hope to see you all next year. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Oh, don't forget your evals. Valuations, don't leave without doing them.